Hello, assalamu alaikum everybody, and welcome back to MarketWhiz, guys. And I'll say this is the weekly breakdown of my trades, because this was the Monday that we did trading, then we got the Tuesday, and then we got the Wednesday, which I traded. And I'm just gonna share the true results of what we got and what we caught in the market. So I'm just gonna use the replay mode to tell you guys that why we took these trades and what are the reasons. So yeah, so this is the Monday, and at the Monday, I'm just gonna mark the 9:30 open so that you guys can understand. At Monday, you can see the market was all the way back up. We just covered the 50% of the range, and on 4 hour, let me just go. We got the higher time frame wick constant encroachment over here, and on one edge, let me just move to the one edge, we got the order block. So I was using just same and simple concepts over here to get the trade done. Then I moved toward the 1 minute, and now this is the game of time. What I did, I was waiting. So yeah, here's the 9:30 open. So you can see the wick, you got the wick, and we also got the wick at the downside. So now it means that we can move toward the downside. We got the potential. We came all the way down, people got trapped, but I was waiting for 10 a.m. open. So here we got the 10 a.m. open. So now why I took this trade over here, the reason was quite simple. I took 10 contracts, and we just have the higher time frame constant encroachment. Just because of that, we took 10 contracts over here. I just took out my 5 contracts over here, okay, and then my trade got break even. At this point, we got the break even, and again I took my entry over here because we are still respecting this FVG. We just closed in this FVG, so just because of that, I was waiting for market to give me some good profit. That's why I give my trade another try, and alhamdulillah, we just took another trade. We just covered all the way like 42 pips over here and 55 pips over here, which is like 90 pips in a day. So the Monday was quite good day for me. That was it. I just took this trade and I just closed my chart. Now we got the Tuesday trading day, which is interesting and quite good price action, I'll say. I'm gonna mark the 9:30. So at Monday, we are quite consolidating in the starting, but then we got the beautiful fall. We created a sell side, and I was waiting for market to get some sort of this sell side swept so that I can enter in the market. At 9:30, you can see we started forming some wicks. We came all the way up back, and then we swept this sell side. Yep. So now we swept this sell side at 10 a.m. So I was waiting to come back so that we can enter over here. So what we did, now let me clear one thing again. This is the higher time frame sell side liquidity, and this is the lower time frame sell side liquidity, which is external liquidity is this one, and the internal liquidity is this one. So we used a concept which is a candle theory. I'm going to teach you in the upcoming videos. I saw the wick of this beautiful candle, and then I entered buys. Yep, and that's where I got my trade at. That's it. Okay, that was it for me. So this was the trade that we did on Tuesday. So now I'm going to tell you about the trade that we did today, which is Wednesday. And Wednesday was quite a good day. I'm just going to explain quickly why I took this trade. What are the reasons? So when I came into the market, what I saw that we got the 1 hour IFVG over here. Let me just tell you. So this is the 1 hour FVG, and this is the IFVG. So I was taking this FVG and I was waiting for market to tap into this area, and then we formed beautiful SMT over here as well. This was the one SMT, and after that we created the double SMT over here. Now this is the bullish SMT momentum, so I know that we're gonna move toward the buy side. This was my first target. We came all the way back and we took our cons over here. Then we came all the way back, started consolidating. I took one con over here as well, again one over here, and the last one. Yeah, so this was it for me, which is like 53 pips in a day, and I was pretty happy with that because I was in profit, so that's all mattered to me. Now I'm just gonna move to show you my executions. So if you guys see, a buy from here, which is like 5 cons, took out 3 over here, 1 over here, and 1 over here at this candle, which was the break even, or I'll say like stop loss booking, trading stop loss. So yep, that was it guys for the day. I hope you guys like it. If you want to learn more about these type of trading videos, subscribe my channel, follow my Instagram. I'm going to share the live execution as well on my socials, so subscribe them to see my live execution. Have a good day.